All right, so we have GBP. My bad, my bad. All right, so this is kind of ugly. You know, we're technically in a range. We have like all these wicks down here, all these wicks up here. We're technically in a range. So this is a trade where you're going to need to be patient because it's going to continue to do rangy mess. You honestly, with this pair, to be completely honest, especially if you're worried about protecting your capital and risk management and just being a safe trader, I wouldn't take a trade on this pair until it breaks below here and becomes fully bearish, or if it breaks above here and becomes fully bullish. You know, break and retest. I'm a break and retest trader, so that's what I do. Like, just break out of this range here. See all of this just coming back in and out, in and out. You know, just break out of the range and then either go bullish or bearish. But if you want to get into it, then it's what we'll do. I'm gonna drop all the way down. I'm gonna drop to the 6 hour. So if you want to actually be able to take a trade in this on this pair, so this is what I will look at. I will look at the fact that we kind of do have a head and shoulder pattern presenting itself here. You know, we have a shoulder, head, and then we have another shoulder right here trying to form. So I would like for it to, but at the same time, this is a bullish. It is, I would say it's bullish, like, because we broke this high right here. So I would wait for it to break this low, and these swings are very small because it's ranging. So I would wait for it to break this low, come back, retest, and then come down. But this is a high risk trade. This is a high risk trade mainly because it's a lot of BS going on in here. It's not clean. It's not clean at all. It is not clean. It's very rangy. So if I was to go into this trade, it would be very, 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 very low risk trade for me. When it comes to risk management and how much I want to risk on this trade, because it's very risky. It's a very risky trade. So not even going to spend too much time on it, because honestly, I would wait for it to break out of this range before I'll hop in. So let's keep it going.